Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I just wanted to show you this utility cart in person in case you're interested in buying it yourself later. Let's unbox it together so I can show you what's included with the purchase. The instruction manual was well written and super easy to understand. There's a lot of illustrations that show you how to set up and assemble this cart. The first thing that I always do whenever I assemble furniture is to lay everything out to make sure that I'm not missing any parts and that they're not damaged. And before tightening the screws, to dry assemble the parts and to make sure that the holes line up together. For this utility cart, the first thing you want to put together is the countertop, which consists of 4 wooden pieces and a series of these metal bars. The utility cart does come with extra screws and nuts for you to work with, which is great if you lose or damage any. Once you have the tabletop assembled, the next step is to work on the legs. The cart is 2 tiers and will measure 28 inches when fully assembled. The great thing about it is that it can support a lot of weight since it is made of metal brackets. And the tabletop is about 20 by 20 inches. It can support weights up to 150 pounds, which is ideal for mini fridges, air fryers, microwaves, or ice makers. The kit also comes with all the necessary tools to assemble this, including a small Allen wrench. Do not over-tighten the screws, otherwise you may strip the threads. Once you get the first tier assembled, then the next step is to work on the second tier. If you want the utility cart to be mobile, you can attach some cast wheels to it. However, if you prefer to have it as a static setup, it does come with anti-slip footings. They're easy to swap out if you change your mind in the future. The cart also comes with a pull lever, which makes it easy for you to pull or push the cart around. So here's some of the features that I really like about this utility cart. First of all, it's really easy to assemble. In total, it probably took me about 20 to 30 minutes to fully assemble it. Second, it's very durable and made of metal beams. Third, it's very versatile and has many purposes. You can use it to store your kitchen appliances or as a food serving cart. Fourth, it's very small and compact and can easily fit on any corner in your kitchen. When it's not in use, you can even push it into your pantry. Fifth, it can either be mobile or static. The cast wheels also have locking brakes on them, which will prevent the wheels from rolling when they're locked in place. The cart also has this pull-out basket for the bottom. You could put a series of small bottles or even a 5-gallon water jug on it. The tray also has a sliding feature, which allows you to pull the tray in and out very easily. Overall, this is a great cart that will fit any kitchen decor. I would like to thank the brand for sending me this cart so that I can create this video to show you guys what it looks like and how to assemble it.